Yo, yo, yo! What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I don't know what we're gonna do today. Should have planned this before. We're gonna play Demolition Derby today.
Ready to get that out for her, please.
Okay. Demolition, which was what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do the concrete dome. We've got 9 opponents, I think. Yeah, that's what it's called. Sure. There. Okay. 2. What I like to do is just try to get into the middle and smash somebody. But I figured out a new strategy to do. I get up onto the sides, then go across the sides. That gets me up to speed. Very good. Boom! Like this. Trying not to damage my vehicle. Boom! That lagged it. I hit it so hard that it lagged. Man, this demolition derby is gonna be short, alright. Whoops. Whoop. If I keep smashing like that, it should be short. This isn't very fast, but I wish it was. Woo! Oh no. Okay, there we go. Boom! Yes! Yeah! We already destroyed him. Because, in my opinion, once one car destroys, they all get destroyed. But I'm usually the last one who gets destroyed. Boom! I mean, I hope that they make a Demolition Derby multiplayer, because that would be so cool. I would get to play with players. They would see my strategy, and all of them will do the same thing. All of us will smash in the middle. Victor has been destroyed. Oh! Boom! See, he had all that health. He just wasted it on me. Wasted on me, I should have said. Oh, that wasn't good. See, I almost have full health. If everybody did that, man, this demolition derby would be so quick. There we go. Ooh, that hurt. Yeah! This is in almost perfect condition. I should be able to win this very easily. Very easily. There we go. Bam! Try that on for size, bud. I will probably download a... Whoa! Whoa! That happened to me the other day. I just got a car and it ramped. But now my car is in bad condition. All because of that. Just riding through the air and then crash onto a dumped car. Ouch. That hurt. Come on. There we go. Boom. There we go. There's one more person. And he's like hidden in the cars trying to get away from me. Oh. Oh, that's the wrong one. Oh, shoot. This is bad. There you are. Hope this can work. He might do the same thing, but not. There you go. Oh, we didn't touch! A final hit! Oh, I won the second place. I hit him with my wheel, though. That sure dumped it. Look at that car. They're all running. For some reason, it says that the first player is wrecked. But he's not. He's still running. I don't know why it said that. I got $5,000 off of that. This is a great game. Let's go back to garage. Oh, look, he just died. That was hilarious. That was such hilarious. He just ran into me thinking, oh, I won't damage myself. And then kablooey. Let's see here. Oops. The tank now. If we use this in a demolition, and if they were all cars, I could probably almost hit them entirely. And they'll be destroyed in seconds. Probably. I like this car right here. That's pretty cool. I love this car. It's awesome. It looks so cool. You know what? I'm gonna buy this car. Let's use it in a race. Let's see here. Let's make it red. And the windows blue and the stripes bright blue. Now that looks like a nice car. Let me fix the motor here. 4,000 nitrous. There you go. Plate number. Let's do this. Let's do that. There you go. 360. Like an Xbox 360. There we go. Now let's race. Let's go to racing. Let's just do the pine tree sprint. And do 1 lap and 5 opponents. Let's just try that. See, they're all the same car, except maybe different motors. Oh. I love this car. It's so nice. I would like to have this car in real life. There we go. I cheat. Ugh. Get out of my way, car. That was probably my fault. Oh well, I'll just cut. That didn't really. Oh, shoot! Oh, great. Well, that's how that car goes. I don't know how that was. That car just like, right over here. Want to see my favorite car in the game? God, I don't think that's my favorite car in the game. I don't think so, bud. Whoops. Whoop. I love this car. Write in the comments down below if you guys like this car. It's pretty epic for me to say. Oh, let me get my daily reward. Anyway, guys, that's how it is. And I have made a couple of animations. As you see, I've got Animation Maker and Flip a Clip, and Kind Master. That's just a video editor, and that's how. This is what I have. That's really all that I want to show you guys. I'll just make a quick design on the powder toy. Now this is an extinguisher. It's so cool. Like, you go to sensors, and you put a sensor like this. Then you take some wire. I like to use PCN. You just put a little up touching the thing. Get the E-wall. Do that. Now you get heat, conductor. Do that. Do that. Now do this. Now I'll create some on the bottom. Then get some broken coal or solid coal, whichever you like best. Put that there, and then get water up here. There we go. Now you light her up. Light it up. Now those sensors should sense it, so it makes the water so it goes down. Whoa, what's happening? Did I use coal? I don't think I used coal, guys. I don't think I used coal. I probably used anti-air or something else. I don't know why that happened. That's not supposed to happen. I meant to put... oh, I see. Oh, I used that. I used very light dust. I thought that was broken coal. This is broken coal. That's what happened. Well, guys, that's the extinguisher. We will be ending the video right here. Please subscribe down below, right down here, all the way down to the core of the earth. Yeah. And please subscribe, comment, and